learn C.O.U.N.T.R.Y. It's choreographed by Guyton Mundy. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 7 after 28 counts with a small step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about how that restart happens, and then go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn C.O.U.N.T.R.Y. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left wizards forward, so we're going to step our right foot forward into that right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to step our left foot into that left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to do Roger Rabbit's back, so we're going to step back with our right, and you're going to pop your left knee up. You're going to step back with your left, pop your right knee up, step back with your right, pop your left knee up, and then we're going to rock back and quickly recover onto our right foot. Let's try it with some counts. You're doing your wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2, we're going to do 2 kickball changes. We're going to kick our left foot low and forward, step our left next to our right, step our right next to our left. You're now going to kick your left foot forward, step your left next to your right, step your right next to your left. You're now going to step your left foot forward but slightly out to the left side. Step your right foot out to the right side. You'll be about shoulder width apart. And then we're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot. We just rock back with our left and quickly recovered onto our right. We're going to do our 2 kickball changes. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to stomp our right foot to the right side. We're going to walk our left foot in, going heel, toe, heel, and then you're going to stomp your left next to your right, but don't take weight. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stomping our left foot to the left side. You're now at 9 o'clock, and you're going to walk your right foot in, toe, heel, toe, and you're going to stomp your right next to your left, but don't take weight. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our weave, so our left is crossed over our right, stomping your right foot to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to step your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to touch your left next to your right. We're going to do 2 walks back, back left, back right, and then we're going to do what he calls a half weave. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot. You're going to bring your right foot quickly in and next to your left, and then step your left foot forward to face 3 o'clock to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stomped our right next to our left, but didn't take weight. We're stepping forward with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're starting with your wizard into the right diagonal. Right wizard, left wizard, back pop, back pop, rock, recover, kickball change, out, out, weave behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, toe, stomp, right forward, left together, right side, touch, walk back left, right, path together, forward. And weights on your left foot, ready to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left, you're doing your wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, let's talk about our restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 7 after 28 counts. So wall 7 to start will be facing 6 o'clock. Let's dance up to the 28 counts and we'll talk about the step change. Weight's going to be on your left foot. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your 2 wizards. So we're going right, wizard, left, wizard, step back right, pop, back left, pop, back right, pop, rock, recover, kick, ball, change, out, out, behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, toe, stomp, forward, together, side. Right here, this is where you're going to end up restarting. However, our 28th count is where we touch our left next to our right, but we need to travel forward with our right foot. So you're going to step your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto that left foot, ready to start the dance all over again, facing 3 o'clock to start wall 8, and you would start all over with those wizards all over again. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance all the way through that restart and the one that follows it so you can practice that transition. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your wizards. Right wizard, left wizard, back pop, 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 rock, recover, kick, ball, change, out, out, behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, toe, stomp, forward, together, side, touch, back, back, half together, forward wizard, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, wizard right, wizard left, back pop, 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 rock, recover, kick, ball, change, out, out, behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, toe, stomp, forward, together, side, touch, back, left, right, half together, forward, wizard, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, wizard and wizard, back pop, 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 rock, recover, kick, ball, change, out, out, behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, toe, stomp, forward, together, side, touch, back, left, right, half together, forward, wizard, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to dance the 28 counts with our step change. Wizard and wizard, back pop, 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 rock, recover, kick, ball, change, out, out, behind, side, cross, stomp, heel, stomp, quarter, toe, heel, stomp, forward, together, side, together, restart, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn C.O.U.N.T.R.Y. It's one of my favorites, so I hope it becomes one of yours. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.